Consider the battery made from the materials shown below. So we have a nickel electrode, a zinc electrode, some nickel ions, some sulfate ions, some zinc ions, and some chlorine ions. A is asking you what component is missing from the above picture. So what is missing here is the completion of the circuit, which would be our salt bridge. So I'm going to include our salt bridge here. So we just draw our salt bridge like so. There we go. So now we have our salt bridge, which is necessary, and we fill this with some salt solution that won't interact with our molecules that are in the battery. So we could do something like potassium and chloride. These two ions generally won't form solids with other ions that are in solution, and they won't interfere with the oxidation reactions, so they are good choices for a salt bridge. And now we need to explain how this enables the battery to finish. So it allows two things to happen. It completes the circuit. So remember that in order for electrons to flow, there must be a complete circuit, so that the electrons and some charge is carried through the entire system. So we need a salt bridge in order to make that happen. So it helps complete the circuit. The other thing is that it balances the charges. In your beakers, you want the solution to remain neutral. But you can imagine that as our nickel is plating here, that this is going to become very negative in this beaker. So keeping it neutral will keep the battery working.